The Delhi High Court today refused to immediately restore the X account of the Cockroach Janta Party, which was blocked in India on national security grounds. Justice Purushaindra Kumar Kaurav said interim relief could only be considered after hearing the central government because the matter has far-reaching consequences. The court issued notice to the centre and posted the next hearing for July 6th. The court also directed CJP founder Abhijeet Dipke to approach the review committee constituted under the IT rules. Since Dipke is currently abroad, he was allowed to appear before the committee through video conferencing. The court noted that the review committee meets at least once every 2 months to examine whether blocking orders issued under the IT rules are legally valid. It stated that the committee can recommend revoking the order and restoring the account if it finds merit in the case. The committee has been asked to examine all aspects of the matter before the next hearing. The CJP's original X handle was withheld in India on May 21st, after which the group launched a new account titled Cockroach is Back. The Cockroach Janta Party, launched on May 16th, claims to be an independent youth-driven movement focused on raising youth concerns and holding the government accountable. The group recently demanded the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over alleged systematic failures in the education sector and the alleged NEET UG 2026 question paper leak controversy. Abhijeet Dipke, formerly associated with the Aam Aadmi Party, launched the CJP amid controversy over remarks reportedly made by Chief Justice of India Suryakant during a May 15th hearing, in which references to cockroaches and parasites were allegedly made while hearing a plea related to the senior designation of a lawyer. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.